And I'm so excited about this new campaign that RPG Show is doing called Phenomenal Woman, which was inspired by Maya Angelou, just getting us in a place of being able to rally around one another and uplift each other, because empower women empower women. That's what it's all about. So when I think about a phenomenal woman, I think about someone who is unapologetic about who they are, no matter what their skin color is, no matter what their body type is, no matter what society has said or deemed as being beautiful. They know that they are amazing. They are phenomenal. And not in the future, not past tense, but present tense. Right now, today, that you are phenomenal. No matter whether you gain weight, whether you have, experienced some type of loss as of recently, you are still phenomenal. That person just embraces the now and just takes whatever adversity has come their way and they just kill it. They just kill it on a daily basis. They just show up no matter the occasion. They get up every day, do something with their hair, just walk with a sense of pride, knowing that there's greatness on the inside of them. A phenomenal woman is not someone who sees limitation. They see beyond what it is that everyone has told them is okay, or everyone has told them they should do. A phenomenal woman is someone who's confident, who has strength. In the midst of whatever it is that they face, they still just have this boldness and this faith that just tells them, I'm gonna keep going no matter what. That's a phenomenal woman. And I believe that you guys are as well. Oftentimes in relationships, what I've noticed is that we allow someone else to validate us. We allow someone to dictate what it is that we should look like, what it is that we should be like. But a phenomenal woman is someone who doesn't allow others to dictate their destiny. They determine their destiny based on what it is that God has told them, based on what it is that is true, which is that you are fearfully and wonderfully made, that you are absolutely amazing. A phenomenal woman is someone who gets up every day and shines no matter what. Henry Ford says, whether you think you can or you can't, you're right. Both of those are true. A phenomenal woman is someone who speaks over their life, someone who feeds their heart and their mind with things that are true, things that are positive. They wake up every morning and maybe they have sticky notes around their house with positive quotes, or maybe they just have those things in their heart and they're consistently repeating those things, although they may not feel that way, but they are saying the things that they want to see. So begin speaking over yourself. If you think that you can do something, you will absolutely kill it. You will do whatever it is that you believe in your heart and your mind that you can do. I recall as a young girl having such low self-esteem, not knowing who I was. I often would walk past mirrors because I knew what looked back at me, what I believed looked back at me was someone that was ugly, someone that wasn't appealing, someone who others would deem as being too dark, maybe having too big of a forehead, having lips that were too big. I just thought that everything about me was just not right. And I often walked in the shadow of my twin sister, just feeling as though she was better than me. And I just lived in this space of consistent comparison because we are twins and everyone around us was constantly comparing the two of us. But as I've grown and learned over the years and just pushed past what was consistently attacking my mind regarding, my self-worth, I just combated those things with what's true and what God tells me that I am, that I'm fearfully and wonderfully made, that I am a peculiar people, that I am made in the image of God, and anything that He has made is good. Anything that He has made is phenomenal, like you are. He did not make any mistakes. And so with that knowledge and that awareness, I've taken that and I get up every day, no matter what the circumstance is. I don't allow it to get me down. I don't allow it to shape my opinion about who I am. And I have the belief now that even with the weight gain, because last year I gained some weight, if you've been following my channel, it's Naturally Mary, you already know that I gained a little weight. And I would just consistently say to myself and to others, anytime they would maybe mention my weight, I'm good the way I am. With my new fiance, there were times where he's like, we're gonna go to the gym and we're gonna birthday slay, in July as we, sought to have our beach bodies and everything together. But I would tell him, you know what? My body's together now. The beach body is already here. I don't have to go to the gym and do all this extra stuff, although I do believe in health and fitness. But I was just pretty much trying to emphasize to him that in the current state that I'm in, with the jelly rolls, with, you know, a little extra that I'm not used to. I am beautiful, I am phenomenal, and I will have a high sense of self-worth no matter what I see in the mirror. You know, if my skin breaks out, whatever the case may be, I'm just like, you know what, mirror, you're good. You're still beautiful, you're still phenomenal, and I encourage you guys to believe the same thing about yourself. Whatever you believe and whatever you allow to leave your mouth, those are the things that are going to shape your reality. You pretty much set the stage for how others view you and also how they treat you. So begin treating yourself better, begin loving on yourself more, and begin telling yourself that you are phenomenal, because you are. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Have a good one.